You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They look somewhat similar, they're both very confusing in their spelling, so let's go through their pronunciations. The top word on your screen is when you listen to sounds. It's to hear. This is a verb, hear. An H sound, of course, and then an E sound, a long E sound. To hear the music. Hear. The bottom word is what you have on top of your head and around your body. Hair. The sound here is, of course, an H and then eh. Okay, it's not E anymore, it's an eh. Hair. Hair. You have beautiful hair on your head. So, let's summarize how to pronounce in English. Hear versus hair. Hear, hair. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those correctly? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Also, let me know and I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.